Laila, a small and beautiful girl, lives with her mother in a village near a beautiful forest. She is known for her red coat, a gift from her grandmother. One spring morning, Laila's mother bakes cakes and puts them in a basket. She asks Laila to take the basket to her sick grandmother. Laila's mother warns her to stay on the path and go directly to her grandmother's house. Laila promises to be careful and sets off on her journey. As Laila walks through the forest, the wolf sees her and approaches her. The wolf asks for her name, and Laila introduces herself as the girl with the red hood. The wolf asks where Laila is going, and she tells him about her sick grandmother. The wolf praises Laila for being obedient and pretends to be kind. Laila feels flattered by the wolf's words and thinks he is a kind creature. She smiles innocently and expresses her desire to be friends with the wolf. The wolf suggests a race to Laila's grandmother's house, and she agrees. Laila innocently tells the wolf where her grandmother lives. On her way, Laila gets distracted by beautiful flowers and decides to pick some for her grandmother. She thinks the flowers will make her grandmother happy and forget her illness. The wolf takes a shortcut and arrives at the grandmother's house first. He disguises his voice to trick the grandmother into letting him in. The wolf locks the grandmother in the closet and disguises himself as her. He feels excited as he waits for Laila to arrive. Laila reaches her grandmother's house, still happy with the flowers she picked. She knocks on the door, unaware of the wolf's deception. What will happen when Laila discovers the wolf's deception? How will she manage to save her grandmother? This is what we will find out in the next part of the adventure.